Hey, Trish Blackwell here, your confidence coach. And today in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can confidently know that this year is the year that you stick to your diet, to your health plans, that you follow through whatever your fitness goal might be. Okay, so I'm coming to you with over 15 years of combined experience as a confidence coach and a personal trainer, a Division I full scholarship athlete, an Ironman athlete, and multiple marathoner. And here's what I need you to know. Your fitness goals, your results, your weight loss, your six-pack, your crossing your first half marathon, none of that is about discipline. I mean, you might go, wait, it's all discipline. It is all discipline, but the discipline that I want you to really focus on, if you want your results to be different, is the discipline of your mindset. Because you can have all the willpower in the world, but willpower is a battery life. At the end of the day, it depletes. Have you ever wondered why you can be so good all throughout the day, but then you just make bad decisions at night if you're not set up? There's so much to be said for proper preparation. But beyond that, as you think about training your body this year, as you think about training yourself with discipline about nutrition, making healthier choices, I want to challenge you to train your thoughts. What does training your thoughts look like? Well, first thing you can do is listen to the Confidence Podcast. That is your weekly way to train your thoughts. You can get it in the comments below or go to trishblackwell.com/the confidence podcast. It's anywhere you listen to podcasts. It's free, and it's weekly training for your thoughts. Because when you train your thoughts, you change your life. When you train your thoughts, you become a different person. When you train your thoughts, you think about food differently. You don't want to use it as a numbing agent or as a drug. You don't want to use it to calm your feelings. You use it to fuel yourself, and you learn that magical, mythical thing that people talk about, of balance and moderation. And as somebody who struggled with an eating disorder for almost 10 years of my life before I went into the fitness industry, I want to tell you that concept of intuitive eating and balance was like a joke to me. But it does exist. It is not a mythical unicorn. There is a gold pot at the end of this rainbow for you. And it starts with training your mind. It starts with saying how I've thought about my life, how I've thought about my goals. It's not worked in the past, because chances are if you have a fitness goal, a weight loss goal, or anything that's a physical goal, you have tried to do this before. So how do we make sure that this year's different? Well, I want to propose to you that you just have to think different. It's not that your actions, your follow through. Now you might say, Trish, well, I just need to show up more. Well, why did you stop showing up? Chances are you stopped showing up because we didn't believe that what we were doing matters. When you train your thoughts, you change your belief. When you change your belief, you change your ability to achieve that which you believe is actually possible. So here's what we're going to do today. One, you're going to make the decision, you're going to train your thoughts. That this year is different because you're going to think different. Not necessarily you're going to do things differently, but because you think differently, you will do things differently. Number two, I want you to start journaling every day. That's one of the most effective ways if you want a self-coach to train your thoughts. Number three, I want you to pop some earphones in and come check out the Confidence Podcast. It is a way for you to have me in your ear as your coach. As you're working out, as you're going for a walk, as you're prepping your food, it makes a difference. And in fact, there's a specific episode where we just posted it. It's episode 371. I'm going to get the actual title for you here. It's how to make this year the year you stick to your diet. So it's episode 371. You can get that at trishblackwell.com/371. I'll pop that in the comments below, so don't worry. So one, decide you're going to train your thoughts. Two, start journaling, start self-coaching. Three, pop some earphones in and start listening to the Confidence Podcast. And number four, listen, one of the things that I have found that distracts people a lot is we get so worked up about what everyone else is doing, right? We think we've got our diet set or our workout regime set, but then somebody else is doing Peloton and we're not yet doing that. Or they're eating vegan and we're doing paleo. Like, well, what's the difference? What's the right way? And all of a sudden, you start complicating your own journey. for no reason. You start complicating it and doing a little of everything because you're worried about what everyone else is doing. Well, ultimately what's happening is you're worried about what people think. Are they doing it right or am I? Or you might feel really good about your results and then you go on social media and you see somebody else who's looks like their weight loss, they lost more than you, and you all of a sudden your victory feels less than. So the fourth thing I want you to do, that I want you to take action on today, is to stop caring what people think. Your journey is about you. It's about your experience in your body, how you feel. My job as your confidence coach is to help you feel amazing in the skin that you're in. And I gotta tell you, because that has nothing to do with how fast you can run, has nothing to do with what the number says on the scale, has nothing to do with what the number says on the back of your shirt. It has everything to do with what's going on up here. If you feel confident and strong and amazing up here, your results will show here. So you might be thinking, well, that's great advice, Trish, but how am I supposed to stop caring what people think? Isn't that kind of part of our human wiring? It is, but I got good news for you. I have a whole training. I'm going to pop it below. It is how to stop caring what people think. It's a 20-minute video. I've got something available for you today. Pop on over, go to trishblackwell.com/class. It's my free masterclass. We go into 3 specific things that you can do right now to stop caring what people think. So I will see you in class. And I want you to know I'm cheering you on. I believe this year is going to be your best year yet, and that your fitness goals, your weight loss goals, your desire to find moderation in how you eat and exercise and to be the healthiest version and the strongest version of yourself, I truly believe is less about what you do and more about how you think. Because when we think the right way, we show up the right way. You guys, so excited. Make sure you hit subscribe. Comment below if anything that I said was really helpful for you. I want to know. I'm always listening to feedback so I know what kind of resources I can keep providing for you so we keep our minds as strong as the bodies that we are training, because we need to train our minds. Training your mind is actually, and this is coming from a personal trainer, it's more important than training your body. So let's train our thoughts together. Let's train our minds. I'll see you in class. trishblackwell.com/class. And I'll see you on the next YouTube video because you're going to hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.